Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add members to a Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have the activity, we have the community, the chat, and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invited teams, and in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add members to a Microsoft team. So first of all, what you need to do is launch, of course, the app on your desktop or browser. Then in the left sidebar, click on the Teams icon and select the team you want to go and add members to. Of course, you have to have teams first. If you don't have them, of course, you can go and create. Then next to the team name, click on the three dots and select Manage Team. In the Members tab, click on Add Member. Enter the email address on people you want to add. You can add multiple people at once. Optionally, you can assign roles to the new members. And of course, when you want to add somebody to the team, click Add to confirm and add the members to your team. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.